What's up, baddies? So welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt if you're new here, and today we're going to be doing an IPSY unboxing for the month of October. So if you'd like to see what we got this month, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, period. So this month's theme is Halloween. Ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month. Welcome to IPSY's Halloween, where we've conjured up everything you need for frightfully flawless skin and ghoulishly glam looks, all in a bewitching bag design you voted for. Okay, so let's just get into it. So this is what this month's bag looks like. It's black leather with like a spider web and etching, like it's like a little raised. The spider web is a little raised off of the leather so you can feel it. And it's really cute. Purple zipper with a spider zipper. That is so cute. That is really cute. So let's just get into the bag. So the first thing that we have is Bare Minerals Maximist Volumizing Mascara. And I got it in Maxim Black. So that's the first thing we received. The second thing that we received is Kopari's Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. This is actually a really good size to keep in your purse for on the go. Let's see what this is. It open? If it's not open, I don't want to open it yet. Yeah, it's sealed. I'll just leave it. So the next thing that we have is a lipstick from Basic Beauty, and this is in the shade Fall For You. Ooh, it's a really pretty red. The packaging is plastic, pale pink. It's like a really cute red. It's like a bricky red kind of. And that is the shade Fall For You. And then the fourth thing that we received is First Aid Beauty's Calamine Pore Purging Mask. Ooh, I've never tried this, but I think I like it. I can tell it'll have that that minty feel to it, smell to it, feel. Yeah, I can't wait to get into this. We got one more. So I got a brush from this company in my last glam bag. It was a 3 brush set. So this one is just the, which brush is this? It doesn't have a number on it. Oh, the Y01 brush. And this is a full-size product that we received in the regular glam bag. So that's a plus. And this brush, I can't wait to use it. You can never have too many brushes. You can't. So I can't wait to add that to my collection. And like I said, the regular glam bag, you get 5 sample size products for $13 a month. So now let's get into the Glam Bag Plus. And okay. And this is what she looks like. She is cloth black with purple pictures of skeletons, snakes, all that scary stuff, with purple drawstrings. And so the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size products for $28 a month. I personally like the Glam Bag Plus because it's the perfect way to discover new products that you will love. And if you don't like them, you could easily gift them to somebody, donate them. It's a win-win. Usually the total of the 5 products in the bag of the Glam Bag Plus will cost way more than the $28 that you paid for it, so you get your money back in return. Okay, so let's get into the first thing. The first thing we have is this True Nude palette by Elman Beauty. It says it's nude. Let's see how nude it is. I'm scared. Okay, now that is really cute. Let me see. That's what it looks like inside. It looks very pigmented. I can't wait to try this out on myself. I love nude palettes. As you guys know, we love a nude eye, natural eye, neutral eye, all of the above. So I cannot wait to put this baby to use. And the retail value for this palette is $26, so you're just $2 off from the $28 that you paid for the whole bag. And we still got 4 products to go. The math is definitely mathing. So the second thing that we received are these under eye volumizing collagen pads. Ooh, and you get 10 sets of these, and this is from the brand Dew of God. I don't know why I smelled it, but it just has them individually packed in this tin can. Can't wait to test those out. I'm definitely gonna try them out tonight so we can get it right and get it tight. And the value of those under eye pads, they're $20, so 20 plus 26, we're at $46. so far for the Glam Bag Plus, and I will be sure to calculate the total of the products in the Glam Bag Plus to show you guys, you know. Okay, next we received this KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner Gel Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Verdetta Green. Oh, so she is retractable. I like that. And it's a really dark green. I'm gonna try this out. Ooh, yeah, I'm already just testing it out to show you guys because I know I'm gonna put her to work. I'm putting her to work. So that is the third thing that we received, and the retail value of that is $22 plus 46. Okay, I'm doing it off the top of my head now, so it's a 68. So the total so far is 68. It'll be so crazy if the total is not 68 and you guys clocked me. Let me double check my work. It's definitely 68. Okay, so fourth, yeah, IPSY came through. So the fourth product we have is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat Lip Gloss, and this is in Hot Cherry, and I'm so excited because I did not want to spend money on this. I'm trying to save, but guess what? The good Lord brought it back to me. The good Lord brought it back to me. I definitely can't wait to try this out. I would, but it smells like strawberry or watermelon. So I'm going with it, but it's called Hot Cherry. So it's cherry. So the retail price of this lip gloss is $24, and you know we were just at 68. So let's see where we're at now. So right now we're at $92 total for the Glam Bag Plus. We only have one more product left. So last but not least, we have Dr. Brandt's facial cleanser, and Dr. Brandt is a really good brand. So the retail price of this cleanser is actually $36. So that makes the grand total for the Glam Bag Plus to be $128. $128, and you paid $28. So you got $100 worth of stuff for free. So that's what we received this month for October. If you guys received an IPSY bag, let me know if you guys received the same products or something different. And let me know what was your favorite and what was your least favorite. I think my favorite product out of all of these, out of the Plus, let's see. That's a toughie because I think it would be between the Gloss Bomb Heat and the Dr. Brandt Cleanser. Those would be my favorite two. My least favorite, I actually don't have one, and that's surprising because it's usually something that I don't like in here. So I really liked everything that I received in this month's Glam Bag Plus. IPSY did us right. I don't think I have a least favorite. I was gonna say it's between the Bare Minerals and the Basic Beauty lipstick, but still I would really like these because of the size of this mascara. I can always take this on the go with me, and then you can never have too many red lipsticks, and it's a really pretty shade of red. Like, I would actually buy this shade in the store, so I don't want to do it like that. I guess I'm gonna go with the brush, but I love the brush. All I can say is IPSY did well this month. And my favorite is the Kopari lotion because you don't want to get caught out here lacking, so you just want to always be moisturized from head to toe. I mean, this won't do head to toe, but at least get your hands. It's the winter time's coming up. Don't be walking around with white hands. Oh, because you want to be ashy. Not this winter. So yes, so that's what we received in this month's Glam Bag. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video down below. And until next time, baddies, bye.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week. Tell me, where have you been?